Welcome to Learning Math with Mr. Tan. Today I'll be talking about a very interesting problem, and let's say today is Monday. What day is it after 2024 to the power of 2024 days? Right? Sometimes when the number is really big, we want to use smaller numbers to understand the problem before we try to uh, generalize it or make it into a more complex situation, right? So 2024 to the power of 2024 is going to be a very big number, so we will use smaller numbers. Like, let's say I'm going to use the number 8. All right, think about the number 8. 8 days later is going to be a Tuesday. If I take 8 divided by 7, I'm going to get a remainder 1. So one day after Monday is a Tuesday indeed. So that helps us to see, okay, maybe the remainder is going to be a clue to what day is it after a certain number of days. All right, so I'm going to use the number 15 to try to illustrate something which I'm going to use for the next step in solving this problem. So 15 divided by 7. Why divide by 7? Because the days of a week will repeat in 7 days cycle. So therefore we use 7 as a divisor, and 15 divided by 7 is going to give me a quotient of 2, remainder of 1. When I put it in mixed number form, you can see that it's 2 whole 1 over 7. So that 1 over here is going to tell me the remainder, which is going to be how many days after Monday. So 15 days later is going to be a Tuesday, and this mixed number form will help us see the remainder very quickly without doing complex calculations. All right, so I'm going to go on to 2024 to the power 1, right, before raising it to other powers. So here you can see I've already written out part of the solution. First, I'm going to start off from 2024. Right, and if I divide it by 7, I'm going to get this number, which I'm going to transform it to the mixed number form, and I see that it's 289 whole 1 over 7. So that 1 over there is the remainder. So I'm going to put that down. It gives us a remainder of 1 when divided by 7. Now next I want to generalize for 2024 to the power of 2024. And I think this number is going to be really huge, right? So I'm going to start by raising it to smaller powers first, right? First of all, I see this. Okay, and 2024 to the power of 2 divided by 7 is already quite a big number. And if I were to transform this to mixed number form, you can see it is 585,225 whole 1 over 7. So that one is going to tell me that 2024 to the power of 2 is going to give me a remainder 1 when divided by 7. So we want to see whether this pattern continues. So I'm going to raise it to, let's say, power 3. And if I were to change this again to mixed number form, I still get a remainder 1. Let's say I raise it to a power 4. And again, I check this. It still gives me a remainder 1. And let's see how far can I push this. Alright. I still get a remainder 1. So you kind of get a clue that perhaps for the first 5 powers, it's always giving us a remainder 1 when divided by 7. So we sort of have a clue that perhaps 2024 to the power of integers is going to give us a remainder 1 when divided by 7. Now, so I'm going to say that this, right? But we see, can we raise it to the power of 2024? It's really big, all right? And I don't think even if I transform this, it's going to give us anything, all right? So that's it. So the day is going to be Tuesday. However, I'm still unconvinced. So if you have actually learned modular arithmetic in your Math Olympiad class, or you've read about it somewhere, there is a way to convincingly show this pattern. All right. So I'm going to use modular arithmetic to just say that, okay, there is a reason why this happens. So 2024 is going to be congruent to 1 mod 7. Alright, so that is equivalent to saying 2024 minus 1. When I divide it by 7, it's going to give me a remainder of 0. Alright, so that means 7 is actually able to divide 2024 minus 1. Okay, so next, if I raise both sides to the power of 2024, it's going to give me on the left hand side, of course, 2024 to the power of 2024. Right hand side is going to give me 1 to the power of 2024. Alright, mod 7. And of course, that means it is just 1 mod 7. So this means to say 7 divides 2024 to the power of 2024 minus 1. So we're going to get a remainder of 1 when we divide 2024 to the power of 2024 by 7. So the day is Tuesday. Thank you for watching this video. So I hope you found this problem interesting. Now you could actually sort of impress your friends or your family by tweaking this problem a little bit. If you understand modular arithmetic, you can actually change the base 2024 as well as the power 2024. Or you can also change the day to any given day of the week where you currently are at, and then you can try to impress your friends or your family by this. All right. So until then, have fun. It is March holidays now, so have fun, take a good break, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.